In this project, what I'd like to do is show you how to make a meteor in motion. And what's going to happen is you're going to use yellow, orange, red, purple, blue construction paper, and think about what shapes would there be as this thing flies past. So I'm going to show you how to put that together now. Here's what you're going to need. You need this piece of black paper, construction paper, that's 9 by 24, this little plastic cup that I use for drawing out the circle, glue stick, yellow construction paper, orange, red, purple, and blue construction paper, a pencil. And I made this shape sheet that you can use for coming up with ideas for the shapes going behind it. First of all, what I'm going to do is draw out the circle, cut it out, and then this time what I'm going to do is break it up in the background and the back side so that it looks like it's breaking apart, moving through these different colors. There, now you can see what I did. I took the yellow circle, I cut it out round, but then I cut little lines into it and I spread it out, and so it's kind of splitting apart as it goes this way. Next is orange, and what I'm going to do is make flame shapes kind of coming back because that gives it the hot look like it's moving forward, and so I'll do that now. Now you can see that I made these orange flames kind of coming back and left a little space between them so that you can see the black coming through it. And I also put some yellow flames kind of mixing in with them. Next I'm going to do red, and I'm going to do kind of lines almost like arrows coming back, starting with a flame shape at the beginning and then going to kind of a straight line. And it's going to be a long section like this, and I'm going to put a little bit of orange in it to kind of mix the colors together. There, now I have the red done, and what I did is made kind of long strips of it coming down to points and mix some orange in with it. What I'm going to do next is put some purple strips, and they're just going to be kind of long rectangles coming back like this. Now I have the purple done. I've got long strips of kind of rectangular shapes, and now what I'm going to do is put the blue in the back kind of trailing off, and it could be like ice cubes or drops of water, but it's going to be little squares that kind of represent ice cubes just kind of tapering off as this meteor flies past. Now I finished the blue, and what I did is I kind of put little shapes here, really packed tight, and as they got back to here they kind of got spread out and kind of haphazard. Think about like when a truck or a car drives by really fast and then there's pieces of paper on the road that kind of get caught in the backdraft of the car, and all of a sudden they kind of just flutter around. That's what I tried to get, is this effect here, that as this meteor shoots past, it has the yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, but you're showing how it's going fast here, but then just kind of haphazard in the back. So this is the final project. Think of different shapes that you can do as you put yours together and see what kind of creativity you can come up with.